Meet Donovan Cupidon, a loans officer who has just left work and is on his way to meet his girlfriend.
Jesus Christ.
Oi. Oi. Ah.
Are you a madman? You serve right in front of me.
Oh, you can call madman? Eh? Me hold up my hand. Me make my right about turn. How you never see me?
See you? See you? How could I see you when you're wearing dark clothes? You don't even have reflect on the bike. Huh? Listen, the only time I saw you was when you serve out in front of me and my hype like hit you.
Mr. Me never serve pan you. You're too live.
Are you hurt?
Seems so.
All right.
My bicycle must have,
All right, let me take you to the hospital to make sure.
put the bicycle first, man.
Okay. Allow me to.
Oi.
John,
Yes, boss.
here we are. I hope you're feeling better.
Boss, this was an accident, you know, sir. I'm going to need your documents and phone number.
876.
Boss, wait no, man. Go ahead, sir.
876
8.
655 5290. Here's my license. One. $5,000. That can help take care of your medical expenses.
All right, sir.
The steps to take after a motor vehicle accident, first and foremost, is you must exchange particulars. Nowadays, everybody has smartphones, cell phones, but most importantly, phones that can take pictures. Take pictures of the impact, take pictures of where the accident happened, and of course, go to the police and report the accident. And if there is an injured party, seek medical attention.